everybody, in front of me is Motorola Moto E20 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options on this Motorola. Firstly, open settings and click on sound over here. Now tap on vibrate vocals and select one of those options for your incoming calls by tapping on the chosen one. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first and ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate, so I have to click on this option over here and go back. Now tap on a shortcut to prevent ringing, and if you want to, you can select vibrate over here by tapping on it. Then go back, scroll down, click on advanced, scroll down again and click on the switchers next to charging sounds and vibrations. And touch vibrations to enable or disable them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!